Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to take another look at this 2005 full-size Zippo with an applied resin chip featuring a scantily clad cowgirl riding a mechanical bull with the backdrop of a Marlboro red cigarette pack. This lighter appears to me to be a satin chrome finish. I'm not exactly sure what Zippo calls it. When I did the previous video, we were discussing whether or not it was authentic or aftermarket or fake, whatever that might mean. I kind of felt at the time like it might be aftermarket, like maybe somebody else had attached it, but that never really set well with me, considering how many of them I had seen online, which wasn't a lot, but I'd say half a dozen before I bought this one. And then a couple others showed up here in last month that sort of reinforced that to me, and hopefully will give us an explanation for the origin of this lighter. It does show wear, scuffs, dings, dents. Noted in the previous video how it appeared as though there was some sort of dust debris underneath the chip along this side. There is a ding or chip in the resin right there on the side, and also a dent or a ding down here where it was dropped. I would call that a dent, and I can't really tell whether that affected the resin chip or not. Maybe that is what allowed the dust underneath. I did just fuel this lighter, I don't know, 10-15 minutes ago. Shook it out real well. You can see that I've got that wick bloomed out pretty wide there at the top. So when we talked about this lighter before, the only thing that had really occurred to me was that it might be aftermarket. Not that there might be other Zippo releases. And when I saw it show up in some eBay auctions, or actually it was another similar lighter that I saw first, and we can go on over there and check that out. If you come over here to eBay and look at the sold listings for Marlboro Zippos, it'll bring those up for the last, I think, 3 months, 90 days. Anyway, I have these sorted here by the price, so I've gone through all of them. This is the only two that are in there, and the only two that I've seen in the last, I don't know, year or so, since I bought the one anyway. But there's the one here with a resin chip that has the girl in the bikini, and this one appears to be high polish, or maybe brushed chrome, and then because I think the brushed chrome, the base would be in high polish. But you can see that the literature there is, well, I assume it's Japanese characters, since it is being advertised as Japanese release. This same seller, E. Daniel Zippos, got 100% feedback. Listed 2 of these and sold them back in September. Both of them over 100. This one 105. And this one appears to be identical to the one I have. The resin chip, and it is marked B05, and then you can see those Asian characters anyway. I assume it's Japanese. I don't know the difference between what the languages might look like without somebody that knows it telling me. But anyway, that shows at least there have been two that were sold in the last few months that this seller listed as Japanese release. So understanding all that, seeing those two there that at least that seller believes were Japanese release, that would make some sense to me why there were, I don't know, like I said, about a half a dozen or so of these that showed up on WorthPoint. I don't have a subscription to WorthPoint anymore, so I can't look that up. But a year or so ago, or I can't remember exactly when I bought this one, whenever that was, under different search queries you could find examples similar to this lighter, not the exact image on it, but most of them, I believe all of them that I saw in there, were the satin finish and some sort of a female without much clothes on and a Marlboro pack in the background. This cowgirl one really stood out to me, really resonated with me. I'm sort of hoping that this video will wake Dylan DePie from his slumber. Haven't heard from him recently. But you know, you saw the others there, or the other one on eBay that was just a bikini. This one has I don't know if that's like some sort of a lace, or looks like shredded bandana. Not sure what that is. I'm not sure if that is, maybe she's been riding that bull so long she needs that for protection. I don't know what that is. She doesn't have any shoes on. She's holding the hat up here. I did remove a little bit of the wick a while ago. For whatever reason, as it was sitting there, it had turned green. Happen from time to time, I guess. And it looks better now. And seems to light okay. So many of these Zippos to me, they just seem hesitant to start. I really like the art of the Zippo, the art that is depicted on them, and I use them all the time. They're some of my favorite lighters. Just seems like there are many flaws inherent within the design. If there's a complaint to be had about a Zippo, then you can bet you can get out there on the message boards or Facebook groups, and you can find many people expressing those same experiences. But maybe that's just the function of a petrol lighter in general. None of them are going to ever work as efficiently or as reliably as a butane lighter, simply because of the fuel volatility, and keeping them fueled is so well, it's just you got to do it all the time.
It's tedious.
Until next time.